cardamom, black currant, semolina, coconut milk soup bowl, or cardamom, black currant, semolina, coconut milk soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the black currant recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cardamom recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the semolina recipes and one of the most delicious of the coconut milk recipes. Today we're going to make black currant semolina coconut milk soup. We have taken around 50 grams of semolina, around 25 to 30 grams of black currant, 3 cardamom pods, and around 200 to 250 ml of coconut milk. Pan and pour in 15 to 20 grams of ghee, let it fry. Low heat. Put in the cardamom pods, salt, put in the black currant, salt, the black currant, till the currants puff up. Now put in the semolina. Salt the semolina. Along with the black currant. Keep on sorting. Thoroughly saute mix. Thoroughly saute mix. Keep on sauteing. Put in 4 spoons of sugar. Saute mix. Thoroughly saute mix. Pour in the coconut mix. Thoroughly saute mix. And let the mix to boil. Let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Now the cardamom, black currant, semolina coconut milk soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final sweet cardamom, black currant, semolina coconut milk soup bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most unique of the black currant recipes and one of the most unique of the semolina recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the dessert recipes and one of the most unique of the sweet recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup recipes and one of the most unique of the breakfast recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.